Welcome to my channel. Bird's name. Penguin, penguin, penguin. Waddle, 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 the penguins are waddling. Owl, owl. The owl is looking at you. Look at those cute grey owls. Falcon, falcon. Look at the falcon flying up in the sky. Eagle, eagle. A beautiful eagle. The eagle is searching for its prey. Kiwi, kiwi. The kiwi bird is staring at you. Robin, robin. Look at the cute robin. The robin is singing. Sparrow, sparrow. Sparrow, sparrow. The sparrow is looking outside. Crow, crow. Look at the little crow. The crow is making sounds. Parrot, parrot. Look at the colourful parrots. Look at those cute little parrots, red and green. Peacock, peacock. Look at this peacock showing off its wings. How big are its feathers? They're very colourful and bright. Ostrich, ostrich. Look at the ostrich's long neck. Ostrich is walking. Swan, swan. Swan is in the water. The swan is drinking water. Goose, goose. There is a cute goose. Look at the goose's long white feathers. Blue jay, blue jay. Look at the blue jay sitting on a stick. The blue jay is looking at you. Hawk, hawk. Look at the hawk's little beak. A hawk is looking at you. Pigeon, pigeon. Look at the pigeon's feet. They are orange. The pigeon is scratching itself. Toucan, toucan. Look at the toucan's colourful beak. Toucan is eating. Seagull, seagull. The seagull is very high. The seagull is flying. Cuckoo, cuckoo. Look at the cuckoo. The cuckoo is so cute. Snowy owl, snowy owl. Look at the snow owl. It's staring at you. Snow owl is trying to run away. Dove, dove. Look at the dove's shiny bright wings. Dove is flying up high. Duck, duck. The duck is standing on the rock. The ducks are swimming in the water. Goldfinch, goldfinch. Look at the goldfinch on a tree branch. There is the goldfinch. Hen, hen. Look how many the hen had laid eggs. The hen has its little baby chicks. Hummingbird, hummingbird. Hummingbird. The hummingbird is collecting nectar. Kingfisher, kingfisher. The kingfisher is looking for something. Quail, quail. The cute quail is looking at you. The quail is hiding. Turkey, turkey. Look at the large turkey. Rooster, rooster. The rooster is walking. The rooster is making sounds. Stork, stork. Look, the storks have built their nest. The stork is in the water. Flamingo, flamingo. The flamingo are enjoying the weather. Look, there are so many flamingos. They are pink. Crane, crane. The crane is standing near the flowers. Look at the crane in the water searching for its prey. Pelican, pelican. The pelican has caught a fish. Look, the pelican is looking for its prey to catch. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos.